Magna 55. Magna 55 has been especially designed to overcome all the hazards normally associated with welding aluminum. The alloy can be easily applied without sagging, collapsing, or distorting the base metal. It flows on smoothly like honey, giving an even contoured finish that perfectly color matches the aluminum. You can use Magna 55 for any aluminum application, thick or thin, sheet or cast, building up, filling gaps, and gives a perfect level fillet weld on close-fitting joints. Let us show you how easy it is to use. Bend one aluminum strip to form a right angle. Stand on a workbench. Put the other piece of aluminum into the right angle and support the overhand with a bent piece of scrap rod to keep it off the workbench. Cut a piece of Magna 55 and place it into corner of joint in contact with both sections to be joined. Scatter a small amount, say half a teaspoon, of Magna 55 flux on the joint. Ensure the bulk of the flux is in the corner of the joint. With the oxyacetylene flame adjusted to a soft carburizing flame, place the flame gently over the entire area. Keep the torch moving and do not localize the flame and allow heat to build up. Direct the flame so the greater amount of heat is on the base section and only a small amount reaches the top piece. Keep the torch moving over the entire area until the flux melts. At this stage, the alloy will melt and start to flow. The heat contained in the metal will conduct the molten alloy through the joint. Immediately after the flux melts, take the torch away. This is critical because only slightly overheating will cause the metal to collapse. Look at the neat even result, the perfect color match with absolutely no porosity. Meanwhile, we will show you how well Magna 55 can fill a hole and build up a fillet weld on a thin sheet of aluminum. We burn a hole and then fill it up with Magna 55. Then, on the same plate, see how easily we build up a fillet weld on the tip of a thin aluminum plate? Magna 55 can be used with great success on all aluminum. The flux is specially constructed to help control heat, oxidation, and eliminates any problems encountered with dirty or soiled aluminum. Small applications like this are best handled by cutting off a piece of Magna 55 and placing it in the joint. Of course, on larger welds you would place the alloy in the flame and deposit using the usual brazing technique. See how little alloy you need to do the job? This means tremendous saving to you. You may test the strength of Magna 55 by fixing one end of the welded sample in a vise and hammer the other end. Magna 55 will definitely withstand the punishment. Other ordinary rods are obsolete when compared to the many advantages of Magna 55.